What's up guys, Greg here from Carid.com, keeping you up to date on all the latest and greatest automotive parts and accessories, and today we're going to check out an all new line of Lumen products that we just added to the site. Now if you've watched my other videos, I have reviewed a ton of Lumen lighting products, from custom headlights to custom taillights and even LED conversion kits. But I have to say, Lumen's real claim to fame is off-road LED light bars, and it took long enough, but this newly released line of custom rocker switches is the perfect addition to any off-road lighting setup, so let me show you what they have. Now the majority of this new line consists of standard rocker switches with traditional labels like LED light bar, fog lights, and even work lights. But if you want something off the wall and ridiculous, you can also choose from labels like zombie lights, flux lights, and bunny burners, whatever that actually is. But regardless of the text, all these rocker switches can be wired up in two different ways, either to illuminate with the key on or only when the switch is activated. But that's not all. Lumen also offers a dual rocker switch setup for those of you running a winch that want to be able to operate it from inside of the cab. This will completely eliminate having to get out of your truck, plug in the winch remote, and then walk it all the way back to the inside of the cab. And for those of you that don't seem to have enough charging ports on the inside of your vehicle, there is also another option that supplies you with two USB charging ports that you can install right in your dash to charge all of your devices. One way or the other, guys, if you're in the market for an all-new LED light bar and you need a cool custom switch to go with it, I urge you to check out the all-new line of Lumen custom rocker switches. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I will see you guys next time.